Hi, this is Noah from ScreenPrintExchange.com. This is the Knipex versus the Channelocks. So my Channelocks tried and true pliers are done, and I'm going to explain why this new to me Knipex 10-inch Cobra water pump pliers is obviously a way better pliers than this Channelock, and I have not used it. I could just see by the way it looks and how it is designed that is way better. But these are very useful. I'll use these for scrapping. I'll use them for a special thing I use with conveyor dryers, and maybe I'll give that trick how to pull the pins and how to place the pins back into them, even the hardest ones. So yeah, so let's get into this right now. And so I got these recently at Menards hardware store for they had a brown bag, 15%, anything you place in there. I'm not an affiliate of Menards. Menards is a Midwestern hardware store like Lowe's and Home Depot. So they actually carry these, which is strange because they usually sell not the greatest tools, but they do offer Knipex. So first thing I noticed, it came with this, the handles. The handles are very thin profiled. It has a nice grip. It's not like rubbery PVC like this. There's actually a texture and like a grit to it. I like it. I'm going to say good things and bad things about both of these pliers, so don't take offense. I would like this grip to be higher up. This one's way higher and it's extreme. See, it goes to like a fork. I'll talk about this fork later. So this fork makes this way better. So the first thing I noticed is when it is in the closest position. You see, let's take a look. Right here, it is touching the tips. This one is flush from the back to the front. It's a little bit different profile because this is more of a straight edge and that's not. But you could see it graduates. And you go further out. So you're not really getting the best grip in the lowest position. And you can't pinch yourself yet with these. And you can never really pinch yourself on these. And that's one of the reasons I want to get rid of these is I'm pinching this, I don't know what they call this, but this is like the meat of your hand, or my pinky, because you put it between. And this has an anti-pinching device. And I've screamed many times at a workplace, and it's not professional because of these. So I still love them, but love-hate sort of thing. So as you go down, it's very precise. Look at that. Let's go down one position, and we'll go one position. Look at, it's even, which is nice. We'll go one position here. It isn't even. Look at that. So now you have problems. You're supposed to keep it like this, but as you know, we're lazy. We don't always use the right position. So, but once you go like this, I've bent these. These have been used for a long time, but you could see how I pinch myself. Look at that. Terrible, right? That really hurts. So you can't do it on these. There's some flex here, but the teeth are super sharp on this. This one, I don't think they were that sharp ever, but these are all ground down. So we're going to go down. We'll go halfway. So look at that. It's even. We're not touching ever. Perfect. And on this one, we'll go. There's not as many positions. See, look at how many teeth there are. There might be like 18 to 20. I didn't count. And this one might have 6 positions. But once again, look where it is. This is an ouch pinching device. So, yeah, and you have, it's not even. whatever. And to get grip with these teeth as they get older, you have to apply more pressure to each handle. So, and I don't know if that will happen with this one, but look how far you can get this one. These are both 10-inch pliers. Let's see. And it's still bigger with the Knipex, which, look at that. I think I'd only use this one on like a union, for a union pipe. So, and this is like a one-handed, I'm going to get better at it, like I said. So I can't wait to use these in a working environment. Like I said, there's some flex here, but the teeth are strong and you should be fine with that. So there is some wiggle. This one has a ton of wiggle because it's old and whatever. So let's get back to the structure. So if you see here, and this is unusual what I saw, this has like a fork to it. This is two pieces basically. And this fork makes it super strong, whereas this is one. So if you're riding your bike and your front fork, you only had one side of the fork on your front wheel, you would have a lot of flex. You would have a lot of, so that's what Knipex idea is, to have it on both sides of it. And I think that's smart. So it's more complicated, but it's smart. And the Germans figured that out. I guess these are American, tried and true. You see them in everybody's you know, toolkits. So this one uses kind of like a I don't know. I mean, how would you call this? Well, it slips my mind. But this uses more of a spring. This is spring actuated. You see it in the back. Push in, it goes up and down. So this one, you get lazy and you start using it like this or like this, because, you know, it's hard to put in. Knipex makes a similar one to this, but it's better machined. I chose these over that one because I wanted more precision. I wanted to do it that way. I did not want to pinch my hands anymore. But they all have anti-pinching devices. So, yeah. So, if you go on Knipex website or YouTube, you'll see them put this on a bar, and people will step on this with their weight, and it will not lose grip because of the super sharp teeth and everything. But I've heard that people put like pipes on here, on this one, to loosen extremely tight pipes. So they'll put like, maybe they'll put like, I wouldn't put a 1/2 inch, maybe a 3/4 pipe in here. So you can get super leverage and pull on it, and like a breaker bar. So I've heard of that. So I don't think I'll ever do that. If I am in a pinch, I would, or I would take a plumber's wrench and little mallet and tap it. So, or, you know, you got to get things done sometimes. So, yeah. So I think I got these for under $30 with that Menards bag. That happens like a couple times a year. So, and I was happy. I found out about it through social media, and yeah, I think I'm going to really like these, and and they're extremely well engineered, and I can't wait to get other products by Knipex. I am dreaming of the wire stripper, and that thing looks like a barracuda fish with the teeth on that. So that's the next item to buy. These I'm going to modify. There will be other videos. I'm going to cut these shorter. I think I'm going to actually bend these back and try to heat treat them. We will see, because I don't know, or I'll give them away. You could see I did hammer on here for that special trick on conveyor belt pin replacement, or pulling out that pin. So yeah, I mostly do screen printing equipment, and I use these tools. I don't lose tools. I don't give away tools. I simply use them till the end, and these are basically done. I do have the smaller version of these. I'll probably get the smaller version of these. I can't wait to get other ones similar to this. The Germans, they come up with great stuff. Thank you. Like this video and continue watching and subscribe, because I'll have some fun videos coming up. Thank you. Bye.